everybody here. I'm gonna be kind of quiet. We just landed in Sydney and I was knocked out. I was so tired. Plane essentials, flying essentials, my sad sleep mask from Target, $4.99. Go get it. The eyes and no, it just allows you to get some sleep. A lot of times the planes come with them, but I just like to have my own. And let's see, got a little Essence magazine. I did have an Apple. Let's see. Oh, we're moving again. Yay! There's a tarmac. I think that's what it's called. We're back at the Tiny's lid. Okay, I don't have authorization to shoot other people. Sorry about that. Anyway, we just landed and I'm gonna get my luggage. Pray that it's all there. And see you maybe on the beach. Yeah? Okay, yeah? Bye.